Let's dive right in. At its most basic, a botnet refers to a group of internet-connected devices infected and controlled by a central server, generally committed for malicious intent. Now, these devices can range from your personal PC to a network of servers. The real threat, however, occurs when these devices are used collectively by the attacker, such as for launching large-scale attacks, for example, the infamous DDoS attacks. So how does a botnet take control? It all starts with a seemingly innocent download from an unsecured website or a click on a disguised link allowing malware to install on your device. Post-infiltration, this malicious software communicates with the main server, adding your device to an army of bots, all controlled by the attacker, together forming this digital menace we know as a botnet. We're now well versed in how these cyber monsters work. This knowledge is power, granting us the ability to recognize a bot attack and potentially thwart it. Keeping your software updated is crucial. These updates often come with patches for any known vulnerabilities, making it tougher for the botnet to infiltrate. Invest in good quality antivirus software. This is like having a round-the-clock security guard, always on duty to detect and boot out threats immediately, alongside periodic system scans. Lastly, exercise caution online. Be vigilant about clicking on unknown links, and ensure the sites you download from are secure. The key to botnet prevention is a mix of robust cybersecurity measures and conscientious online habits.